Here we come to the elevator at the old chemistry building at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina. Look at this indicator right here. You're gonna see somebody in the elevator.
Who's that?
Wonder who that is as well. B. Now the lantern works. This is a bronze Dover elevator. 4. Look how narrow this hallway is. Look at this. I'm gonna ring the bell one more time. It looks like it just rang earlier when the door opens. Anyways, these are your fixtures. Classic Dover traditional. Here's your non-ADA phone. I'm gonna ring the bell one more time. Love it. Anyway, this elevator was installed in 1990. Looks to be a little bit older than that. This is actually worth checking out as well. So watch the button go out. Oh, Alex.
How are you doing?
We're joining with Science and Elevators today.
That's right. How are you doing? Wait, where do you want to end?
I was gonna end the video at 1.
Okay.
Alright, Alex, when I get off the elevator, you don't mind sending up to the 4th floor so I can watch the number from the outside?
Okay.
Alright,
I'll
Alex.
send it to 2 for you then, unless there's somebody out here.
Okay.
Nobody's coming.
Alright, watch this. Adam's call station. Alright, so that being said, that will be it.